Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps other members know when I'm posting videos. Well, have you ever had one of those cravings for something that you just absolutely had to have? Well, today I'm getting one of those cravings for pancakes, and today we're going to be making some coconut flour pancakes. I'm just experimenting with other YouTubers and how they make their coconut flour pancakes. So this recipe comes to you from Jennifer Band's Low-Carb Recipes with Jennifer, and I'll have her link with this recipe below the video. And today we're going to be using our Ninja bullet to mix everything all up. What you'll need for this is 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 large eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coconut flour, and 1 tablespoon of sweetener. And then we'll mix everything all together in the little blender. We'll pop out the frying pan and see how they fry up in the frying pan. And hopefully we'll have good results from it. So without further ado, let's go right into the recipe. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, today we're going to be making absolutely what's soon to be a favorite recipe of mine. Today we're going to be making coconut flour pancakes. So I got already the ingredients is already laid out. So what you'll need over here is 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese, 2 eggs at room temperature, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We have a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coconut flour, and 1 tablespoon of sweetener. And I'll have all the amounts over the timeline as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this Ninja blender bullet that we have over here. I'm just going to just dump everything right in. So I'm going to move this stuff out of the way. So you just dump your cream cheese right in. Very easy. Your eggs can go right in. Easy peasy, right guys? Now you put your vanilla extract. Now you baking powder. Now coconut flour. Everything's just a dump and go. And add a little sweetener. You could use confectionate syrup or powdered syrup, but I'm going to be using maple syrup today. This is a regular store-bought sugar-free brand. I couldn't get the Chalk Zero. I got some on order. So now that we got the batter all in our Ninja bullet, let's go make the pancakes. We're going to mix that up for a few minutes, actually about 20 seconds, and then we're going to get the pancake grill out and make pancakes. And I'm going to be filming that process. And then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. guys, so I am back. So we made pancakes. Look at that. Check that out, huh? I got 9 pancakes. Sorry about the noise, but we live in an apartment. So we're going to have a little bit of butter on our pancakes and syrup, obviously. Nice tablespoon of butter. We made 9 pancakes out of that batter, by the way. Small ones. And small ones worked pretty good for me. I was able to flip them without not making a mess. So I had one that didn't quite flip, but we got it to work. So let's get some pancake syrup going on this. That's just regular store-bought syrup, guys, and it's sugar-free. Look at that, guys, huh? That make your mouth watering, huh? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to get better at this. This is one of the first videos I've done with no problem. I got a little table set up. I'm happy. So I just kind of like melt the butter on top of the pancake. Just dig into that. Look at that, guys, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Does that make your mouth watering, guys, huh? I believe she said this only comes in at about 3 carbs. It's very clean, very healthy for you. You could probably put some blueberries next to it, maybe some raspberries, some fresh strawberries, maybe a little bit peaches if you're not doing keto. You got to remember a lot of that fruit sometimes has a lot of carbs and it has natural sugars in it, so you got to be vigilant on what you're eating. But yeah, look at that, guys, again. Gonna have a little bit of butter. Butter, butter, butter. So let me know in the show more. Have you ever had pancakes before? What's your favorite way of making pancakes? Do you like almond flour pancakes? Coconut flour pancakes? There's a recipe out there for cottage cheese pancakes. I haven't made that yet. And be watching for some more videos. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. My name's Ron. Love you guys. Yeah, gonna finish my pancakes and clean up my mess and enjoy. Have a great day, guys.